Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Need Chemistry. Today I am going to give one question to the lesson of electrochemistry. Now let us see the question. When 9.65 ampere current was passed for 1 hour into the nitrobenzene in acidic medium, the amount of para-aminophenol produced is weight in gram is given. It is JE 2018. Okay, now let us see what are the data given. Let me write here. The data is first ampere is given. I is equal to 9.65 ampere. Passed for 1 hour. So time is equal to 1 hour. That is equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds. The time should be in the second. Important point. Next one, it is given the nitrobenzene C6H5NO2 into the para-aminophenol. Para-aminophenol, this is your, what is it called as a aminophenol. This is your para-aminophenol. This is important to calculate the N factor. So what they are asking is what is the amount? W is equal to the quotient. Now let us see the formula. Here the formula is N is equal to, that is number of moles equal to I into T divided by N factor into 96,500. The formula is already I gave in the yesterday's video. Let us see here in this question. The first let us calculate the N factor of here. In the N factor to calculation, you take your nitrobenzene first. The formula of your nitrobenzene is, this is it, on O minus nitrogen positive charge. On this nitrogen, the oxidation state is +3. Now here your para-aminophenol. The structure of para-aminophenol is, this is your para-aminophenol. On this nitrogen, the oxidation state is -3. Each hydrogen -2 and this carbon. So here it is -3. The nitrogen is having +3. So +3 to -3, the difference is 6 number, different oxidation number. In the case of here the carbon, which is same here attached with the only hydrogen. So carbon oxidation state is +1. Again carbon to carbon, here it is 0 because of one hydrogen. Your carbon hydrogen is +1. So your carbon is -1. So oxidation state on carbon is here -1. In this case carbon is having with the oxygen here, because of oxygen here the carbon oxygen is having -1, carbon is +1. So different is -1 to +1. So the different is 2. So now overall different is, that is N. This is called it as a N factor. This is the way you have to calculate the N factor. This is the new knowledge, of course. Yes. Now let us coming to the work here. I is equal to 9.65. Remaining things are easy. The time already we have converted in the second. N factor is 4 and this is 96,500. On getting cancelled this one, yes, 9.65 you can write as a 965 into 10 power -2 into 6 divided by 4 into 965. So this are getting cancelled and here it is 2, 3 and this is 2, 3. 3 3s are 9 into 10 power -2 is equal to 0.09 is the number of mole. It is given N. They are asking W. What is the formula is N is equal to W by M. So that meaning what is it? W is equal to N into M. What is M is molar mass of your product is, that is called para-aminophenol. The molar mass on calculation we are getting is 109. You know how to calculate, find out it is 109. Now let us substitute the number of mole is 0.09 into 109 on multiplication. Now here 9 9s are 81 and 9 it is here and 2 digits. So your answer is 9.81. Let us see the answer is here. Option is C. With that the answer is we are concluding. Again I am repeating, the knowledge is time in hour. Very important to take it in the second. First point to be notice. Next one is how to calculate the n factor. This is the second point. The formula is given. This is already discussed in the yesterday class, the 3. Here one more trick is here. What is the trick is here? To find out the weight with the number of moles. So with this combining knowledge, we have to find out the answer. So this question is very important considering this here NEET as well as the JEE question. Let us go to the next question. The question is here. Let us see the question. Here question, the standard reduction potential of 4 things or data are available with the chlorine, chromium and these things. Everything is given. Now these are the standard data. Now here the question is, among the given following, the strongest reducing agent is. They are asking what is the strongest reducing agent. Point number 1, anything to be a strongest reducing agent means their reduction potential is high negative. It should be high negative. By comparing here, you are having only one thing is you are having the negative value. What is the negative value? Is your reduction potential. The chromium 3 plus chromium ion is minus 0.74. This is the negative reduction potential. So now let us see the option is chromium is. Here the thing is, in the cases you are having 2 options are available, chromium metal and chromium 3 plus. So from that we have to identify whether it is a chromium or chromium 3 plus. This is now our question. In the case of that thing, what is the reducing agent means? You keep it in the knowledge. Reducing agent means it should be getting oxidized. It should be getting oxidized. Reducing agent reduces others, is getting oxidized. So chromium from 0 to 0.3 plus is first case. The next case chromium 3 plus to 6 plus. So which will take place easily and possible when chromium to chromium 3 plus is possible. So your answer is your chromium metal is the best reducing agent. With the knowledge is negative reduction potential. Comparing here chromium and chromium 3 plus ion, metal is the best because the metal is getting easily oxidized from 0 to plus 3. So it is acting as a strongest reducing agent. With that I am complete the question. Now let us see the next question. The hydrogen electrode is dipped in a solution of pH is equal to 3 at 25 degrees centigrade. This is point is important. 25 we can use the standard Nernst formula. Next one is hydrogen ion concentration. We can calculate pH is equal to 3. The potential of the cell would be, they are asking E of the cell, and here the one given data is given, that is 2.303 RT by F is equal to, you can take it as a 0.059. Since the temperature is 25, the data is available. Now let us go to the Nernst equation. Now first let us take the reduction of your hydrogen. Hydrogen is gaining 1 electron, it gives the H, that is atomic hydrogen is formed. This is combining with another atomic hydrogen, you are having H2 as the formation of molecule. Here you have to take it as the number of electron involved is equal to 1 because you have to consider only for the one hydrogen atom. So N is equal to 1. Now let us, this is the first knowledge. Next knowledge is pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration is equal to log of 1 by hydrogen ion concentration. This is the another knowledge. Now let us see the Nernst equation. What is the Nernst equation is E is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log of products by reactant. Here the product is H2 is, you can take it as a 1, and the reactant is your concentration of hydrogen. Already I told you have to take it as a consider for only one atom. So the N is here hydrogen, you have to take it as a H plus only. Don't write the stoichiometry 2. Here it should be a 1. Okay, next knowledge is since pH is equal to log of 1 by H plus, this one I am going to take it as a pH as it is the 3. Next E naught cell for hydrogen is equal to 0. Next this knowledge is what is the data is given is your 0.059 divided by 1 into 3. So now this is on calculation minus 9 into 3. 7, okay, 2, 5, I mean, 1, okay, what is this is, what is called, yes, this is, now your answer is 0.177 volt. Now let us verify with the option is given is minus 0.177 volt. So this is the answer. Now let us go one more time, again giving the important point here. You have to take it as a first one is the reduction reaction, first point. Second, you have to take it first only one atomic hydrogen. It is an important, very important point. N should be only 1. Since N is the 1, here stoichiometry is the 1. That is the second point. Next, you need not substitute the hydrogen and concentration. You can take as it is the log 1 by H plus concentration as a pH value as it is, you can take it. This is the important point I want to stress. So this is the answer. Now your answer is this. Apart from that, overall the formula, by looking here, you can have the value should be the minus. So even without calculation, but after substituting this, you can find out the answer and identify the answer. Okay, with that I am completing today's video, children. You practice more and follow my what is it called videos, and give like and then comment, subscribe. Thank you, children.